Hi curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naturally Eve. As you can see, today we're continuing the conversation about oils. On my last video, I talked about all the different types of oils, moisturizing oils, sealing oils, and how you can use them in your hair regimen. So today I'm going to be showing you a DIY on how I use and what I mix in my different oils as a pre-poo treatment. So if you're interested, keep watching. So starting off, make sure you have some kind of container in which we're going to be putting our oil mixture in. I just have here a regular old kitchen bowl, but you can use any kind of container. So our first oil and the most moisturizing oil is coconut oil. And coconut oil tends to solidify, so make sure you run it under some warm or hot water so that it can actually liquefy into your oil mixture. Next one is olive oil. This is my favorite oil because I literally took it from my kitchen, and you can get this oil at any old grocery store because you can actually use it to cook, and also it's good for your hair, boo. Next up, we have Moringa Oil, and Moringa Oil is one of those like miracle oils. It literally does everything. It's good for hair. Some people cook with it. It's also a topical cleanser and moisturizer, and apparently it also is known to lower cholesterol. Next up, Argan Oil, and Argan Oil is great as a moisturizer, but it also is really good at protecting your hair from everyday damage. So this way, it prevents breakage, split ends for thicker, fuller hair. So I always add tea tree oil as well to my oil mixture because tea tree oil is known to soothe an itchy scalp. And also it's very good at reducing dandruff and flaking and, preventing excess oil production, which actually ends up causing dandruff and flaking. So tea tree oil is really, really good for that. And the next essential oil is peppermint. This is my favorite because peppermint, not only do I like the smell of peppermint, but also it gives you that tingly sensation in your scalp. And also, it's also good for hair growth. It's known to enhance blood circulation, which ultimately helps your hair grow. So that concludes our mixture for our hot oil treatment. All the oils we used are moisturizing oils because we want them, of course, to moisturize the hair, but also help us detangle because I'm going to be using this as a pre-poo treatment. Next, we're going to activate our oil treatment by popping it in the microwave. You can also boil some water and put the oil mixture on top of some hot water, but I just pop mine in the microwave for 30 seconds. So now that our oil treatment is ready, we are ready for the application process. As you can see, I have an old twist out. I think this twist out lasted for about a week, and I'm going to be using the oil treatment to detangle and, of course, get all the benefits of the oil mixture. Starting on the first section, as you can see, I'm applying a little bit of the oil mixture at a time on the first twist. And before I even start to unravel the twist, I just apply the oil. And this is already a natural detangler. So as you can see, I'm slowly detangling each section without, compromising the hair. So continuing on with the same method, slowly detangling. And I know it can seem very, very tedious, but trust me, this pace really helps reduce the amount of breakage that you would experience typically. So as you continue on to apply the hot oil treatment, you can also give yourself a nice scalp massage to increase that blood circulation. So as you can see, we are more than halfway done. Woof! I know it looks really fast, but it can be a little bit tedious. So, give yourself, that time, put on a podcast, a TV show, whatever. I think I was looking at Real Housewives here of Atlanta. Any fans out there? That's my guilty pleasure. But anyway, we're almost done. And one thing I wanted to mention is you can always section away your hair. It helps me manage better. So as you complete a section, add a little clip to it so that you can section off the areas that are ready versus those that you still need to do. So now we're done, and now I'm just going to give myself that final scalp massage and try not to fall asleep. So now that we're done with all our section, I'm just gonna put my hair up in a pineapple. And just to protect, your furniture and stuff around you, I'm gonna use a plastic cap. And here's how much hair I lost from the pre-poo treatment. Not bad, right? So I usually leave on this pre-poo treatment for about 20 minutes, and then I just shampoo, condition, and continue on with my wash day. So there you have it, folks. That's my DIY pre-poo oil treatment. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, support your girl, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you use oils in your hair regimen. Until next time, keep it naturally.